All right, so we are back, and I'm going to get someone from group 1. How do you guys feel about explaining it? Does it seem all right?
I can, I guess.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
So basically, since you're finding the chance that someone does not purchase it, basically, since it's only 3%, you end up with 97%, and you have that 4 times, since 4 different customers come in, and you come out with 0.885, and you subtract 1 minus 0.885, you come out with 0.115.
Right. So you want to find that this is the probability of none. None of the 4 bought. Because either none of the 4 bought, you struck out all 4 times, or at least one of them bought one. None. It's a terrible none. Sorry. Right, so either none of the 4 bought a tie, or at least one bought a tie. So find the probability that none of them did, and the 1 minus the probability of none equals the probability of at least one. Does that make sense for folks? Okay, I feel like everybody got it. I'm hoping everybody got it. Here it is, a little bit prettier, somewhat. Right, because probability of bow tie is 0.3, 3%. Probability of no bow tie is 97%. And you want 4 no's. You want to strike out 4 times, and then subtract that from 1. Okay, now we're going to go back a little bit to where we were before, which is conditional probability. So this was page, oh, not your class. So now we're going to roll back a little bit to page 14. Like right where page 16 is. That's kind of where we are. Okay. We're going to finish out this page. So let me ask you, someone to read this one. Well, actually, we talked about this earlier, right? Multiplication rules and conditional probability. So again, if it's dependent, the probability of A happening and then B happening is the probability of A multiplied the probability of B, assuming that A has happened, given that A has happened. So I kind of think of it like I'm at a tree and I'm branching off here. So if I want to know yellow and male, then I'd find the probability of yellow, and then let's assume that I've gone yellow, right? So it'd be sort of like yellow, not yellow, and then the next thing would be the probability of male, given that you're yellow. So what's probably I have a yellow, I pick a yellow puppy. Let's see. So the probability of yellow is 6 out of 20. Now I'm here, which means that I know I have a yellow puppy. What's the probability of drawing a male now? 4 out of 6. 4 out of 6. So how do we end up right here? 6 out of 20 times 4 out of 6. And lo and behold, this will happen every time. These 6's will cancel out, and you'll be left with, I'm making blue instead, it's a bit easier. You'll be left with 4 out of 20. What's the probability that you pick a yellow male lab? 4 out of 20, right? So this is just showing you can get there this way also. Obviously with the table, you don't have to. Let's probably bought a yellow male lab. Just there's 4 of them, 4 out of 20. But this is how that rule works. We're going to go over it a little bit more next class. I'm going to let you guys go now because we just don't have time. Have a great couple of days. If you did not chat me yet on who you want in your group, please chat me before you leave, and I will see you guys on Thursday. All right? Have an excellent day.
What do we submit on Canvas?
What was that?
What do we submit on Canvas?
Canvas is going to be page 13. So page 13 is the page we're doing today, and obviously the second page of your quiz. So quiz 4.1, the second page, and page 13 from your chapter 1, 2, 4 notes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.